I'll take this cover off. There are 3 bolts. You got 2 down here, 1 on each side, 1 on top. Now that's loose. Take the 2 knobs off. Lift it right up. Now I went ahead and marked these with tape. These are the 2 that will be swapping places. Move these 2 hoses here and vice versa, and that will effectively move the boom to this handle and the dipper over here. Now you'll want to make sure that the backhoe boom is supported by the lock pin or sitting on the ground, because once this line comes off, it could fall. I'll send this one around the back. Now these are O-ring face fittings, so you don't have to put very much force to get these tight. The O-ring will make the seal. These are just standard wrenches and they don't fit very well in here. A set of line wrenches would probably be great. So now that I've swapped these, I'm going to be a little bit confused. I'm used to the backhoe pattern, and now I'm on excavator pattern, which means instead of my left hand operating the boom, it's now the dipper. And my right hand is now the boom. We try to dig this way. Ah! So, boom, bucket, boom, bucket. So weird. Now there is one downside to the way that this valve is set up. The left hand had the float position and float was on the boom. Now float is on the dipper, which is not a function I ever used anyway, so it's no different to me. It might be an annoyance to some people. Of course, left hand is still left. right, and right hand to still, bucket, curl, and dump. Those two functions haven't changed. I have to say I'm not very good with this valve pattern, but I hope you all like it. If this helps you, give a like, subscribe, and hey, thanks for watching.